mga pinaguhugutan nyo kasi pinaguhugutan ko rin yan, you guys. Yeah, this one is for all those bitches. Ito kong standby. Bomol? Bastos ka! Jasmine, bakala ako! Pinapaalam ko lang sa'yo, ha? Nababagso lang yung damdamin mo. Lasing ka lang, Jasmine. Okay. Sing me the part today. Sing with me, okay? Kung broken kayo, kung hindi kayo broken, pwede kayong hindi kumanta. Pakuhin nyo na lang kami. Okay. Tangina, paano makakapag-focus ng time? Grabe na all. I love you sila. So, ano na? Serious na kasi. I will take your time. Have everything. We don't need to think. I don't think that you think of me. You in your moment. You know that I should be on. But life lived without you could never be right. As long as the sun shines down from the heaven, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you, getting over me. Oh, no matter what I do, it's just a lifetime to live through. I can't go on like this. You're the only one that I ever loved. Relax mo lang kayo dyan. Sising lang ako dito. Pag umiyak na si Jasmine, bigyan niyo ng tissue, ha? Okay. I'm finished. Happy Pride, Jasmine! Nasaan na ba ako? Oh, as long as the stars shines down from the heaven, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you, getting over, never get over you. Getting over It's got some look in your eyes, I regret. Tell me why you're feeling inside. I hate to see you so down, oh baby. Is it your heart, ooh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, baby? Is there anything that I can do? don't know, what the fuck? What the hell? Why don't you tell me why it hurts, no baby? Do my best to make it better. Yes, I do understand those things will go away. Just tell me what it's bad, now tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. I love you. Is it your heart? Ooh, that's breaking all to pieces. Making you cry, baby, baby. Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me what it hurts now, baby? And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I do. Those things don't go away. Just tell me what it hurts, now tell me. And I'll love you with a love so tender. I love you. Tell me, baby, tell me. Ooh, baby. Is there anything that I can do, babe? Just tell me what it hurts now, baby. And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I do. Those things don't go away. Just tell me what it hurts now, tell me. And I'll do it love so tender. I love you, love. Oh, wala pa, Jasmine. Sabay tayo. Pag-iiwan ka. Hard Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you. Do you love that for me? Yeah! Very good. Ino muna ako dito. Thank you. Ako ba yun? Jasmine, nakainom ka lang. Huwag ngayon, please. Sure! Shot daw kami ni Jasmine, guys. Banding na mga ganda to, so... Oh my God. Ano to? Walang lemon-lemon? Ganun kayo katapang dito sa Dog Monkeys. Okay. Shot tayo, everyone! Makisama na lang po! Makisama na lang po! Mangyayari lang yung hindi siya shot talaga! Mamamatay yung hindi siya shot! Shot sila, Jasmine. Shot sila, Jasmine! Paglang talk, no? Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying. Happy ba kayo dyan sa likod? Okay kayo dyan? Si Kuya baka nagsisenti na doon, ha? Bantayan niyo yung bawat isa. Pride na yun. Dapat safe place tayo. Okay? Okay na kayo, mga babies? So, This next song, dahil medyo controversial tayo sa Facebook, no? Kantayin natin yung original song natin. Oh. Ano, di ka na? Di ka na? Di ka na? Di ka na? Okay, di ka na.
Sukatan ang puso ay kusang gumagaling. Handa naman ang saling matinat na bibig. Magaan ng buhay, wag problemahin. Sa pag-alisa mo, hawak-hawak ang kamay mo hanggang dulo.
Huwag kang bibigyan pag may dilubyong haharapin. Halika dahil lalakbayin natin sarili natin kalawakan. Halika dahil isipin ang babalikan. Dito'y pananaw, puro kamantahan. Lalakbayin natin sarili natin kalawakan. Halika dahil
Ibang itong puso para sa iyo. Pagmakas na ito ay buhay. Gagawin ko yun, basta gagawin ko yun. Ang bagay alang-alang sa sarili mo.
sa pagaling sa
Ang kamay mo, hawak-hawak ang kamay mo hanggang dulo.
huwag kang bibigyan pag may dilubyong haharapin. Halika dahil lalakbayin natin sarili natin kalawakan. Halika dahil isipin ang babalikan. Lalakbayin natin sarili natin kalawakan. Halika dahil Thank you so much you guys for coming to Malkis. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for having me here. Yellow Room Productions, maraming salamat po. Maxi Mavis, thank you. Sa lahat ng mga nagiinom, salamat din ha, kasi nag-guest ako. Thank you so much sa pagpunta nyo dito lahat. Happy Pride everyone. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Mahal na mahal kayo mga wali. Mabuhay ang mga bakla! Pati mga tomboy, mabuhay ang mga tomboy!